Hey everyone, it's Andrew here with DesignPoint, here to follow up and continue on our series on CAD file management. So for this episode, we're going to be talking about design iterations and how PDM can help your business, either big or small. So how many files does your company have currently? Or how many are you about to produce in the next year? Do you have a way of capturing some of the information about these files in the file name, maybe like the revision number or the level, maybe the date? What if you just have like a random string of numbers for every different file? Um, I used to name files like my try or Bob's try 2, and then when I changed it, it was 3, and then it was like 3C and F. Well, PDM is going to allow you to keep everything in one succinct location. So everything is going to be able to keep the same file name. And then inside of that one file, let PDM actually manage all the different versions. So every time you worked on this and you improved it, let PDM take that into account, and you could actually have that history stored all in one location. And that allows you to not break any of the references. So if you update a part and you save it, then SOLIDWORKS will automatically know to go and get that latest version for your assembly. And that just helps eliminate errors, just how you name it. And okay, so you saved a new revision. How do you let people know? What's your communication method? Are you one of those studious people that thoroughly documents and updates all the interested parties? If you are, you're probably in the minority. And maybe there's another employee that, like, who knows what they've updated. You have to go find them and ask them in person. And maybe, just like what I'm describing, every single person of your company has a different way and approach that they like to do it. Well, PDM is going to reduce that. It's going to allow you to actually just have all the new versions for every time somebody checks in that file. So they get finished and they check in the file. That's a new version. Each one is recoverable, and each one is under the same name. But the full history is captured, and you can require comments. So every time somebody went in and changed something, then they have to actually type out what they changed and then include that with the file. Again, the assemblies are updated automatically, and this is just all some of the benefits of how SOLIDWORKS helps you manage your iterations. And so that reduces the number of files, and there's no assembly rework, so that's going to save you time.